Now in this session we are going to discuss about the elements which will used inside the script. What are the script elements? We will discuss all elements which is used in a script. The script actually used the built-in shell. Means the shell is already exist and all the commands which are exist inside the shell, so you can use these commands. So script commands are often the same commands you would enter manually, and some script command call other commands. So the two commands most used, two elements in a scripting. One is a echo, another is a read. Echo I have displayed you means if you want to display the content, then you can use this content. So for the example here, if you want to display the data, so you can read here. If you want to share, so you can display this data. Means if you want to use the echo, so if you want to display the data on the screen, so you can use echo. If you want to read the data from the command, so it will known as a read the data. So whatever the input you will put input, it will read the data. Okay, so echo and the read. So I am going to inside the scripts and bi, another is a read data, read.sh, and here the first thing is shebang. Always write the shebang /bin and /bash, and here you will write the echo and then write the content what you want to display on the screen. Another is the read, what you want to read the data, username. So I am going to, and because this is ls, this is not executable because I am running the ls-l command, so you can see it have the only read permission and not having the execute permission. So in this case I need to provide the execute permission to this read.sh, and now read the sh. What is your name? Another is a execute and the source command. Two commands are used. One is a execute, another is a source. Okay, execute commands is replacing the current shell process, means /bin /bash and this file pwd and ls-al. So all the data will be written in a out.txt file. Another is a source. So source is a runs a command, execute the command in the current shell process. So you can use the source as well as you can use the execute. Another components is like strings value. Strings means any fixed value where you can put your name, your data or the lengthy data. Another is a escape characters, another is a arrays, another is a functions. These we will discuss. So string literals is the fixed value. Fixed value means you are writing any quotation like this is you are writing. When you are putting the double quotation, so it will be considered as a string literals, means any value, but should be the fix, no changes. So you can use the double quotation, means like this. Either you can use the single quotation like this, double quotation and this. So works with the exactly the information given, such as string or the phrase. any phrase it may be the, any string it may be the. Okay. So here is a escape character. So what is the escape character? Because sometime the some character has a specific value, a specific meaning. So you will have to provide the slash. For the example, if you are $var, so dollar has a string value, a specific value means going to be define the variable. So if you want to, like, dollar should not work as a special character, so you can use the slash in the front of that character. So if I will write here the echo, the dollar will display here. So I am just showing you what will be the result. Like I am going to put here the echo display the my string value $var. So you can see the my string value is there, but var has been replaced. There is no var. So if I will put it here like this, so in this case the $var has been displayed.